Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to another episode of quick and easy recipes that you can whip up in no time. Ever find yourself craving a quick snack, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the world of mug recipes, perfect for those moments when you need something delicious, fast. Today I'm whipping up some viral mug recipes, fast, easy and delicious. These recipes are not only quick, but also incredibly satisfying. Let's dive right in. Get your mugs ready because we're about to make some magic happen. First up, microwave mug pizza. This is a game changer for pizza lovers. In a regular sized mug, mix 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder and just a pinch of salt. This forms the base of our pizza dough. Then add 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. These ingredients will help bind everything together and give it that doughy texture. Give it a good stir until it looks like pizza dough. Make sure there are no lumps. Now spread some pizza sauce on top, sprinkle a generous amount of mozzarella cheese and add your favorite toppings. You can get creative here. I'm going with pepperoni because why not? It's a classic choice that never disappoints. Microwave it for about 1-2 minutes, checking every 30 seconds. You don't want to overcook it. And there you go, mug pizza ready in no time, perfect for a quick lunch or a midnight snack. Next, let's satisfy that sweet tooth with a Nutella lava cake. This one is for all the chocolate lovers out there. In another mug, mix 1 tablespoon of Nutella and 1 tablespoon of butter. Microwave until melted. This forms the gooey center of our cake. Now, add some dark chocolate chips, 2 egg yolks and sugar to taste. The egg yolks will give it a rich texture. Don't forget to sift in some flour, just enough to get a thick batter. This will help the cake rise. Bake it at 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The wait will be worth it, I promise. The result, a gooey, chocolatey explosion in a mug, perfect for a cozy night in. Moving on, we've got microwave mac and cheese. This is comfort food at its finest. In yet another mug, combine macaroni and water. Make sure the water covers the pasta. Microwave in intervals, stirring regularly until the pasta is cooked. This usually takes about 4-5 minutes. Once done, add a pinch of black pepper, a dash of garlic powder, and loads of cheddar and mozzarella cheese. The more cheese, the better. Stir until the cheese melts and the sauce thickens. You want it to be nice and creamy. Top it off with some chives, parsley, or basil for that gourmet touch. It adds a pop of color and flavor. Cheesy heaven in a mug. This is sure to become a household favorite. Last but not least, we have the mug cookie. This is the ultimate quick dessert. Melt 1 tablespoon of salted butter in a mug. This will be the base of our cookie. Add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These will add sweetness and flavor. Stir in a heaping tablespoon of chocolate chips. You can never have too many chocolate chips. Microwave in 30-second intervals, checking each time. You want it to be soft and gooey. The result? A warm, gooey cookie that's irresistible, perfect for a quick treat. So, there you have it. 4 viral mug recipes, all ready in minutes. These are perfect for any time of the day. Perfect for when you're short on time but big on cravings. These recipes are sure to hit the spot. Try them out and let me know which one's your favorite. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Bon appetit! See you next time.